Guys, so we ran out of bait and we're thinking of using orange peels. See if they can we can catch a fish with this.
Yeah,
let's try it out. This little tiny piece of orange peel. So go ahead, Junior. All right, guys, second try.
This time cameraman's gonna stand up.
Go ahead. I'll do it from here. They already ate the first one, so we gotta try it again. They're definitely hitting it. Guys, third try. Third try. They're eating it. They're hitting it.
2 seconds. Drop it right.
Guys, third try. Is it third?
Fifth.
Fourth try. All right, this time I'm gonna follow it.
Dropping it.
Keep going. That's a hit. That's a hit. It's gone? Oh, it's still there. Put it back in there. Bring it out. It's gone already. There's the hook, guys. It's gone. Guys, finally caught one with the orange peels.
Yep.
It works. It works. Come on now, hook it. Guys, orange peels. It works. Oop, come here, buddy. Later, buddy. Guys, I just caught another one with the orange peels. Third fish, banana peels. Try, guys. It works. See you. That's banana peels? I meant orange peels.
It's a banana peel.
You should try banana peels next time.